Hi, today we'll be discussing the HS code in importation. HS code is the harmonized system code, which is a, a constitutional guide, like a constitutional book for importation. This HS code is used by customs around the world. Almost 98% of the world uses HS code. This HS code is a guide of what customs duty any shipment pays. Let me repeat that again. This HS code is a guide of what and how much the custom duty of every shipment supposed to pay. So what it means that before you even start up any importation, before you even go for that discussion, you have that material in your head. I want to import a radio. What kind of radio am I importing? Because there are different types of radio, and that different types of radio amounts to several HS code. Let's say, for example, we are importing a particular set of radio. From the system here, you can find out there are 5, 6, 7, almost 6 or 7 different types of HS code for radios. For example, the radio used in two-way radio walkie-talking is a different HS code. It's a radio. It's read as a radio. A radio transmission apparatus covers radio's transmitter and transmission reception unit. Is also a radio. A radar navigational aid covers radar apparatus, radio navigational aid apparatus, and radio remote control apparatus. This is another radio. So in radio, there are different types of HS code. So you have to be very sure of what HS code belongs to the shipment you are importing. That gives you a direct information of how much, what is the percentage of the duty you are going to be paying when your shipment arrives. Knowing this information is very, very vital in when importing shipment. Very vital, because when you know the shipment, you get yourself financially ready. Getting financially ready means understanding how much you are paying, understanding the percentage, you know how much duty, and you already know how much you are buying the shipment. So when you calculate what you are buying, and you calculate what the duty is, and other agencies' payment which comes up with the duty, you can now get yourself financially ready before embarking on that importation. That gives you a clear road on the importation of that particular shipment you're doing. Because if you don't have information, if you are not financially ready before doing any importation, you will spend more. Yes, you will. Because if you are not financially ready and you are importing, it means that any delay at the port, you pay additional shipping, demurrage, you pay additional terminal demurrage. And all these additional costs are a must pay if your shipment overstays any free days that is being given in your country around the world. Every port has their own differences in free demurrage. For example, some people will give 3 days demurrage only when the shipment arrives. So if you have all these informations ready, what it means that even before your shipment arrives, you know how much you are paying, you are processing your documentation and getting your documentations ready. So that as the shipment hits the terminal, you have programmed yourself on all the activities you are going to do and get financially ready so that your shipment can be delivered in due course. So what we do in meteorological logistics is we will take you from that point of your pro forma invoice down to the point of every step of your shipment, advising you the financial aspect of it, giving you the advice in all the financial steps so you don't make that mistake of spending more. Why we do consulting is we consult, we make people aware of those financial loopholes that are in the way. We build bridges on those loopholes so that when you get to this place, you have a smooth sail. Our customers will attest to this, that whenever we give you those consulting informations and guidelines, Meteoric Logistics takes you hand in hand to that point where the shipment comes to your doorstep without no hustle. So come to Metoric Logistics and we will make the difference in your shipments going forward. Thank you.